Meteorologist Taylor Knust with your Local 5 Weather Lab. From rain to snow to tornadoes, Doppler radar is arguably the most important tool used by meteorologists to track the weather. So let's explain how it works. So a radar antenna emits a radio wave, and when the wave hits an object, the energy scatters in all directions and including back toward the radar. The bigger the object that it hits, the greater the amount of energy that returns to the radar. And that tells us how intense precipitation is. The time it takes the radio wave to strike an object and return to the radar determines where the precipitation is located. So the result of both of those things is then plotted on a radar map. What makes it a Doppler radar is its ability to determine the direction precipitation is moving. Now this is done by tracking the radio wave's phase, or in other words, its shape, position, and form. Measuring the change in phase from when the pulse is sent out to when it returns tells the radar whether the object is moving toward or away from the radar. It also determines how quickly the object is moving. Now, this information is important to meteorologists because it helps us track the wind speeds in severe thunderstorms and areas of rotation that could lead to tornadoes in supercell thunderstorms. Now, in recent years, the National Weather Service radars have been upgraded to include something called dual polarization. These dual pole radars transmit and receive pulses in both a horizontal and vertical orientation, and the radio wave frequencies provide the horizontal and vertical dimensions of the target that they hit. Now, there are several benefits to dual pole radar, including the ability to discern between precip types like heavy rain versus hail, detection of tornado debris, and improved accuracy of precipitation estimates. The National Weather Service Doppler radar scans the sky at multiple angles to determine the location and intensity of precipitation at different levels of the sky, and typically radar completes that scan every 4 to 6 minutes. Now, Iowa only has 2 National Weather Service radars, one in Johnston and another in the Quad Cities. For the western Iowa skies, those are typically covered by the radars located near Omaha and near Sioux Falls. With your Local 5 Weather Lab, I'm meteorologist Taylor Knust.